If you're planning to replace your halogen turn signal bulbs with LED bulbs, you've probably already learned that a number of issues can occur after installation: hyperflash, dashboard error warnings, reduced brightness, and more. So, is the Lasfit T3 series turn signal bulb any different? Lasfit launched the T3 series nearly 2 years ago, and it has since received a large number of positive reviews. Why does hyperflash occur? LED bulbs draw much less power than the factory halogen bulbs. When the trip computer detects the wattage is wrong, it alerts the driver through hyperflashing, dashboard warning messages, or both. To solve this issue, you usually need to connect a load resistor to increase the power draw to match that of a halogen bulb. This allows the trip computer to recognize the bulb as working properly. No hyperflash, no error code. However, installing a resistor is usually a hassle, and it can easily overheat. Many drivers worry that the load resistor could melt the plastic housing. Upgraded decoding design. Built-in ceramic decoder, no hyperflash, stable decoding up to 30 minutes. Softer output lighting. 2000 lumen 24 watts output with soft, non-glare illumination. Better heat dissipation. Aircraft aluminum with smart IC for better heat dissipation. Now let's install the T3 turn signal bulbs and see how they perform. Installation is extremely simple. Just pull out the halogen bulb and plug in the LED bulb, and you're done. Lasfit T3 turn signal bulbs also come in a switchback option, allowing a single bulb to function as both a parking light and a turn signal. It's white when used as a parking light and flashes amber as turning signal light. No hyperflash, no error warnings. Bright but not blinding Lasfit T3 series is the ideal choice for upgrading your LED turn signals. To upgrade your turn signals, simply visit lasfit.com and enter your vehicle's year, make, and model to find the compatible bulb. You can also leave your info in the comments, and we'll recommend the suitable bulb for you.